Today I will tell you that how people are earning millions of dollars from Shopify dropshipping business. In this you must have a Shopify store. If you don't have any Shopify store, then you can create a stunning Shopify store by clicking on the link below giving in the description with 14 days free trial. If you are not subscribed to Shopify yet, then please go to that link given in the description and click on that link, and you will be able to create a free 14 days Shopify trial store. Here it is a store that we are looking at with having products on it. So first of all, I will tell you that how dropship works. Basically, you have to create a product. You don't have to create any product. You just don't have to invest anything. You don't have to invest a single penny. You just have to create a Shopify store. First of all, if you are going to AliExpress, and I will tell you how you can list any products like these products with these prices on your stores, that how these works. And for drop shipping business, you must have a Shopify store. I'm telling you again that you must have a Shopify store that only starts with $30 per month subscription, and you can have your own stunning Shopify stores. Let's suppose if we have a product like this and we want to enlist this product on our Shopify store, then you have to click on it. After clicking on this, the product will be shown to you like this. Okay, and you have to click on here add to Uberlo. Uberlo is basically a dropshipping app by Uberlo that basically fetch the product from AliExpress and list it on the Shopify stores. Here this product was not available, so we will search for another product and we will try to enlist that product on our Shopify store. Just click on this watch with the most orders. Here is the watch with the most orders, and we will just click on add to Uberlo from here. Okay, here it is the success. We will go to our apps Uberlo in our store and just click on the Uberlo. Uberlo will be opened like this. I will tell you how. I have already told in a video made on how to add products from AliExpress to your Shopify. You can change the description title from Uberlo here, and then you can change the description. You can change the variants. From here you can, as you can see that here the product price is $24, shipping price is $2.63, and price on our store will be $49.18, and we'll have a profit of $21.96 after enlisting this product on our Shopify store. As I have already mentioned, few products, dropship few products from AliExpress to my store, and it will be like this, the products from AliExpress. So here is a golden chance to earn millions of US dollars from drop shipping. People used to place products from AliExpress on their Shopify stores. You can create a free Shopify store by just signing up to the link given below in the description. And you can also watch video on how to add products. You can also watch video on how to create Shopify dropshipping store, and you will have your own store and your own products on your store with your own prices shipped all over the world. With all these payment gateways, you can accept the payment like it's shown here: Amex, Google Pay, Apple Pay, MasterCard, Visa Card, PayPal, and QPay. You can also add as many payment gateways to your store to accept the payment for these products. Basically, Shopify accept the payment from your payer and then deliver the payment to you in your PayPal or any other account you wish to take it. So here was the simple procedure of earning millions of dollars from Shopify store. You can have your own Shopify store just signing up to a link given below in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for upcoming latest videos. Here is a lucky chance for you guys in 2021 to get the latest millions of dollars in your journey of this drop shipping. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.